Hello and a really big warm welcome to this presentation from the Urban Penguin. My name is Andrew Mallett and today we're going to take a little bit of a deep dive into the Bitwise not operator. Not really because you need to know this for your Python certified entry-level programmer, but because it will be useful for you to understand some of the binary representation and how computers work. You're also unlikely to really need this in your day-to-day programming life, as this is more of a low-level programming function. However, it is marked as a topic for the PCEP, so we do have to cover it, but you won't need to know the detail that we're going to look at. So we're going to begin by working with a positive number. Integers in Python are always signed with the unary operator. Now that could be a positive symbol or a negative symbol. So it could be positive 5 or negative 5. If we don't put the unary operator for the signing of the integer, then we assume positive. Also, the tilde, our not operator, is also a unary operator, only working with the one value. So here we can go tilde 5 for our operation. The first thing that's going to happen is that we need to convert 5 from our decimal number through to a binary number. We always work with 8-bit representation, and the first or most significant leftmost bit would represent the signing. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Where it starts with a 0 as the most significant bit, it shows that we are working with a positive number. We can flip all of our bits. So this is the bitwise not operator. In doing this, we change 1s to 0, 0s to 1. So we get 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0. Recognizing that the most significant bit now is a 1, the result is going to be a negative number. We need to calculate the decimal value of our result, so we flip our bits again. So we get our original 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, and then we add 1 to the flipped version, giving us 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, or quite simply, negative 6. We get the 6 coming back, but we know we have to apply the negative value because of our values when we had flipped the bits. So that's okay, but what about when we're working with a negative number to begin with? So let's try now tilde negative 3 or not negative 3. We have to convert 3 through to binary, and we can work with a positive 3 to begin with. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1. We flip all of the bits, and that's going to give us 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. We add 1 to it, and that becomes then 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Our negative 3 then is represented by 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. We need to then apply our not operation to this. So we flip our bits and we get 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. And we don't have to worry about doing anything else to this now. This is our positive 2. And we can see the operations in Python. When we look at tilde 5, we get negative 6. When we look at tilde negative 3, all of the processes that we talk about happen in the background, but we get then positive 2. Now, I don't know if that's made it any clearer to you, but hopefully you can work through your own examples and calculate what the results should be.
All that is left to say is thank you for watching. If you've enjoyed this, then you are probably sadder than I first thought. For more of this drivel, please subscribe, like and comment to @TheUrbanPenguin.